If you had 10 seconds to grab one bag and run, would what's inside keep you alive? Most bug-out bags are packed with junk that fails when it matters. Comment the one item you think every prepper forgets, because number 1 isn't even built to keep you alive. Subscribe, because these 30 could decide whether you make it. Number 30. Zippo Emergency Fire Kit. Start with fire. Cold kills faster than hunger. This sealed Zippo capsule floats, shrugs off water, and sparks from the same flint wheel as a classic lighter. 5 wax tinder sticks burn 5 minutes each. Reliable flame for under $15. Number 29. Exotac Nano Striker XL Fire Starter. When your lighter's dead, this is the backup that never quits. Machined from aircraft aluminum, the Nano Striker XL hides a waterproof ferro rod and tungsten striker. 3,000 strikes, wet or frozen. $30 for fire after everything else fails. Number 28. Supris Plasma Arc Lighter. No fuel, no flame to blow out. This plasma lighter snaps a windproof electric arc and lights tinder in any storm. Waterproof body, USB-C rechargeable, hundreds of lights per charge. For $17, it's the fire starter that laughs at wind and rain. Number 27. Don't Die in the Woods Emergency Blankets. Cheap Mylar blankets tear the second you breathe on them. These don't. 3 times thicker, quiet instead of crinkly, and they reflect up to 90% of your body heat back at you. $23 between you and hypothermia. Number 26. Soul Escape Bivy. A space blanket traps sweat until you're wet and freezing. The Escape Bivy fixes that. A breathable sleeve that reflects 70% of your heat while letting moisture out. $55 for a shelter that fits in a cargo pocket. Number 25. VanQuest Fat Pack 5x8 Organizer. Loose gear costs you seconds you don't have. This organizer locks small kit behind reversed YKK zippers, and one downward pull on the red tab opens it wide. $37 to find your gear without dumping the whole bag. Number 24. Sawyer Squeeze Water Filter. 3 days without clean water, and you're done. The Sawyer Squeeze screws onto a pouch and strips out 99.999% of bacteria and every microplastic. $40, 3 ounces, and dirty water stops being a death sentence. Number 23. Best Glide ASC Survival Fishing Kit. 72 hours becomes 7 days when you can feed yourself. This compact kit packs jigs, hooks, leaders, and 50 feet of line into a case smaller than your phone. $25 that turns any water into a food source. Number 22. Kaminga 3H Tritium Lensatic Compass. GPS dies with the grid. This one never needs a battery. The Kaminga 3H is the official US military compass. 7 tritium vials glow for over 12 years, no flashlight required. $90 to always know which way is out. Number 21. Soft Tactical Tourniquet. A serious bleed can kill in 3 minutes, faster than help arrives. The Soft TW is the wide-strap tourniquet Special Forces trust, an alloy windlass that won't snap under pressure. $35, and knowing how to use it saves a life. That's the foundation. From here, the gear gets serious, the kind that separates the prepared from the panicked. The top 20 starts now. Number 20. Quick Clot Advanced Clotting Gauze. A tourniquet handles a limb, but a wound you can't tie off needs this. Quick Clot Gauze is packed with kaolin, the clotting agent the military carries, and it stops bleeding up to 5 times faster than plain gauze. Pack the wound, hold pressure, done. $25 between a scary moment and a fatal one. Number 19. Counter-Assault Bear Spray. Not every threat in the wild walks on 2 legs. Counter-Assault fires a 32-foot cloud of 2% capsaicin, the max the law allows, and it's the first EPA-registered bear spray ever made. It stops a charging predator before it reaches you. $50 of distance between you and something with claws. Number 18. AquaQuest Defender Tarp 10x7. Shelter kills before starvation does. Exposure is the silent threat. The Defender tarp shrugs off a 20,000 millimeter water column, so a downpour just rolls off. 21 tie-outs rig a roof, a lean-to, or a full A-frame in minutes. Heat tape seams built to last. $65 for a dry night anywhere on Earth. Number 17. BioLite Headlamp 425. In a crisis, you need both hands free, and your phone won't last the night. The BioLite 425 throws 425 lumens from a strip so thin it won't bounce when you run. 60 hours on low, USB-C rechargeable, and a red rear light marks you in the dark. $60 of reliable hands-free light. Number 16. Goal Zero Lighthouse 600 Lantern. Light and power in one box. The Lighthouse 600 throws 600 lumens in every direction and runs off USB, solar, or a built-in hand crank. Its 5200 mAh battery recharges your phone when the grid is gone. Dim half the globe and it runs for days. $80 doing 3 jobs at once. Number 15. Eaton American Red Cross FRX3 Weather Radio. When the towers fail, this is your link to the outside world. The FRX3 pulls in AM, FM, and NOAA weather bands and sounds an alert the moment a warning hits your area. Crank it, solar charge it, or run the battery, and it charges your phone back. $60 of information when information saves lives. Number 14. Fiskars X7 Hatchet. Fire, shelter, defense. They all start with processing wood. The Fiskars X7 drives a forged steel head on a shock-absorbing handle that's nearly unbreakable. And the low-friction blade bites deep and pops right back out. Splits kindling, drives stakes, weighs almost nothing on your belt. $40 of pure leverage. Number 13. MSR Pocket Rocket 2 Stove. Boiling water means hot food, safe drinking, and morale when you're cold and scared. The Pocket Rocket 2 weighs under 3 ounces, unfolds in seconds, and brings a liter to a rolling boil in 3.5 minutes. No priming, no pumping. $50 and a fuel can puts a kitchen in your pocket. Number 12. Rhino Rescue IFAC Trauma Kit. You can't improvise trauma care when seconds count. This IFAC packs over 100 sealed essentials: tourniquet, Israeli bandage, gauze, splint, and shears, in a MOLLE pouch that rips open one-handed. It's the kit you pray you never open. $43 that buys you time. Number 11. Big Blue 28 watts solar charger. Batteries die, the sun doesn't. This 28-watt panel folds to the size of a tablet and pushes power into 3 devices at once, converting a quarter of the sunlight that hits it. Clip it to your pack, walk, and charge as you go. Phone, headlamp, power bank. $60 of electricity that never runs out. That's the top 10. If your bag is missing half of these, tap like. It pushes this to someone who needs it. Now it gets real. Number 10. Olight Warrior Mini 3. A headlamp lights your path. Sometimes you need to light up everything. The Warrior Mini 3 punches 1750 lumens, 240 meters downrange, with a proximity sensor that dims before it scorches your hand. Magnetic tail charging, fits in a fist. $100 to turn night into day. Number 9. Morakniv Garberg Full Tang Knife. A folding knife flexes and fails. A full tang blade doesn't. The Garberg runs solid steel from tip to pommel, baton it through logs, carve traps, and strike a ferro rod off the squared spine. It's the toughest knife Morakniv has ever built. $80 of do-everything steel. Number 8. Mountain House 3-Day Emergency Food Supply. Hunger wrecks your judgment long before it starves you. This kit stacks 18 freeze-dried servings, real beef stroganoff, chicken and dumplings, into pouches you eat straight from. Add hot water, wait 10 minutes, done. 30-year shelf life, so it waits for the day you need it. $60, 3 days of fuel. Number 7. Sportsman Pocket Chainsaw. This is the one nobody expects. Unroll it and you're holding a 36-inch chainsaw blade with 48 teeth that cut both ways. Grab the handles and it rips through a log in seconds. 5 ounces, packs into a tin. $20 doing an axe's job in half the time. Number 6. LifeStraw Peak Series Gravity 3L. One filter is good. One that hydrates your whole group is better. The peak gravity holds 3 liters. Fill the bag, hang it from a branch, and gravity pushes clean water through while you make camp. It strips bacteria, parasites, and microplastics for 500 gallons. $45 and the whole team drinks. Top 5. The heavy hitters that turn a victim into a survivor. Guess number 1 in the comments before the reveal. You won't get it. Most multi-tools are built for a desk drawer. This one's built for the end of the world. The Signal packs 19 tools: pliers, saw, knife, hammer, but it's the survival extras that matter. A ferro rod that sparks fires, a whistle to signal rescue, and a built-in blade sharpener. One tool replaces half your kit, backed by a 25-year warranty. $130 of everything-proof engineering. Number 4. 511 Rush 72 2.0 Tactical Backpack. Every item so far is useless without something to carry it in. This is that something. The Rush 72 swallows 55 liters across a dozen compartments, wraps it in water-resistant 1000-denier nylon, and lays MOLLE webbing across every face for pouches, holsters, and trauma kits. The straps stay comfortable under 50 pounds for the long walk out. $250 for the backbone of the entire bag. Number 3. Jackery Explorer 100 Plus Power Station. Phones, radios, headlamps, medical gear, all of it dies without power. The Explorer 100 Plus is a 99 watt-hour station the size of a paperback that brings them back again and again. 3 devices charge at once, it refills to 70% in an hour, and the battery survives 2,000 cycles. It's airline legal, so it flies with you. $150 of grid in your bag. Number 2 should already be in your hand. Water is the first thing that kills you, and the Ultra Press is the fastest fix on Earth. Fill it from a puddle, a river, a hotel sink, then press it like a French press, and 8 seconds later, viruses, bacteria, and chemicals are gone. Not filtered, purified. No batteries, no waiting. $90 to drink anywhere without fear. 30 items, and number 1 isn't here to keep you alive. Last chance. Your guess? It only matters on the worst day of your life. Number 1 is the ACR Rescue Link View, $390, and it's the only item here that won't keep you alive. It's built to get you found. First, press the button and it fires your exact GPS coordinates straight to search and rescue satellites. No cell signal, no wilderness too remote. Second, and the part nobody expects, there's no subscription, ever. Most beacons charge monthly. This one works for years, free. Third, it floats. The strobe and infrared light guide rescuers in, and the battery waits 5 years for the day you finally need it. Every other item buys you time. This one ends the emergency. If you own one thing on this list, own the thing that brings you home. That's 30 pieces of gear that turn panic into a plan. The smartest preppers don't wait for the worst day. They build for it now. Subscribe, because the next video breaks down the 10 bug-out mistakes that get people killed. Build your bag before you need it.